In this series Grow with Filmora, I will be showing you how to use keyframe within your Filmora mobile application. You may still don't know how cool effects you can achieve in Filmora with the help of keyframes. It helps in both professional videos and to create fun videos. So let's start the video. So the uses of keyframes are endless, but let's start talking from achieving zoom and effects. Let's see how to mark keyframes. For this video I am using keyframes to sync music with the dance video by adding beats. Now one keyframe on the video at the beginning and others on each beat. I want to have the camera roll or zoom in or out with every new beat. The methodology to apply slow zoom is to place keyframes at long distances, but if you place keyframes at closet spots, the zoom effect will be dramatic. Initially, it has slow-paced beats, and later, it fastens. I marked keyframes accordingly. You might be wondering, what is masking? Masking in video editing is a technique where editors create a specific mask or selection within a video frame to isolate certain areas. These areas can be hidden, revealed, or modified separately from the rest of the footage. Essentially, masking allows you to apply effects, transitions, or changes to a defined part of a video while leaving other areas untouched. Here is how to do it. Let's do the masking here. Aspect ratio of the video is 1:1, and of the images is 16:1. Move it down like this. Make another copy and place as overlay. Apply liner mask on the overlay clip in the sky like this. Now click on rotate. And then flip. Drag this image on top of the main track image. Adjust it well, remove any gap if it has. Now you can give animation to both images. I gave fade in. This is how it should look like. Let's do another masking. Place any image with a circle design in it. Make sure the aspect ratio is 1:1. Apply circle mask over this image right at the center. This masking is done at the first image. Now go to the overlay. And again apply circle mask over it exactly at the same position. This time reverse the masking. Now apply keyframe at the beginning and at some gap. Now from the second keyframe move the overlay image to the right side and zoom into the first image. You can also give animation effect to the main track clip by zooming in. That's how it should look.